Hey everyone, my name is Harut, and in this video I'm going to share with you what I would do if I had to start all over again from zero to make $10,000 a month as soon as possible. And let's start with the fact that I've been able to do that not just once, but consistently month in and month out in the past 3 years, and even more than that. So in this video I'm not only going to share with you how you can do that, but the simplest and easiest path to get there, okay? And let's start with the thing that over 90% of the people that I know that are making more than $10,000 a month or are even millionaires, right? They all are using this method, okay? Everyone. And I know people that are in their 20s, I know people that are in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, all like different ages, right? People that are teenagers and also people that have kids, are adults, etc., right? So it doesn't really matter where you are, where are you from, what's your experience. What matters is like willingness to put in the work and knowing about this method, because actually most people don't know about it, right? So let's start with what it is. So what it is making money online with social media, right? Now stay with me. How you are going to make money? Because you probably think, okay, there are 1,000 ways, right? So by social media, I mean you can use YouTube, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, but the point is to get attention online. And probably you have heard about this, that the attention is the new oil, right, of the 21st century. And it is true. And why? Let's talk about why you need to get attention and how it's going to help you to make $10,000 a month as soon as possible. So when you get attention, right, what's happening is that you will have the opportunity to sell people your product or to sell something, because as you know, the only way to make money, right, is to sell something. Let's say even if you start a YouTube channel, which I did, right, and you upload videos and you don't sell something in the video, still YouTube sells advertisement on your videos. So by still getting attention with YouTube on your videos, you are still selling at the time of your audience, let's say, and that's how you are making money. So you are always selling something. And because in today's day and age, there are so many products, so many people right now are having businesses, and they are so similar to each other that people don't know which one to buy, and there's only so many people in this world, right? There's only like 8 billion people and only like 5 billion have access to internet or something like that, and their attention is not unlimited, right? People have limited time that they are spending on internet. So the people that will be able to get in front of these people will get their attention, then we'll be able to sell them something. Because let's say if I have a phone, right, and I want to sell it to you. If you don't know about that I have a phone, I can sell it to you. So the only way that I will be able to make money is to make you known that I have something. I have something to offer, and then you can be interested, and then you can buy it, and then I can make money, right? But if you don't know about it, I can make money, right? So that's why getting attention online is the easiest and fastest way to make money. And now let me practically give you examples on how you can do that. There's two ways, and one of the ways is you can do that by showing your face, recording videos, and there's also the second way that you can do it without even showing your face or making any videos yourself, right? You can still get attention and make money and make 10K a month or even more. Some people I know are making more than like $200,000 a month, $500,000 a month. Crazy numbers, right? But they don't even show their face, right? So let's dive into how it's possible. So first of all, I've been able to do it, right? And I've got over 2 million subscribers on YouTube in the past few years and paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process, and I didn't even show my face. So that's the first option. And the second way that I did it is I started my personal brand on Instagram, which also helped me to make hundreds of thousands of dollars online, right? So I've done it two ways. I've done it without showing my face, and I've done it with showing my face. Both have their advantages and disadvantages, right? So let's start with the first way of, if you don't want to show your face, if you don't want to make any videos yourself, you want to stay anonymous, whatever, right? Great. One of the ways that you can do it is with YouTube automation. It's basically a business model where you upload faceless videos to your channel, right? Videos like top 10 richest people in the world in 2023 or now in 2024 or whatever, right? And people can go and watch your videos, and you will be able to get attention, and then you can monetize it. You can monetize with it AdSense, with the ads shown on your videos. You can sell some products there, do affiliate marketing, billion ways, right? Brand deals. But first you need to get attention. Another way is you can do that on Instagram theme pages. For example, theme pages about philosophy, theme pages about food, like pages that are reposting some viral content. It's a way without showing your face to get attention online. And if you do that, if you can figure out that one thing, that's the fastest way to get to $10,000 a month, right? Any business model, if you want to make money, right, which is relatively easy, it is online, it is simple, it's somehow a link to getting attention, right? So that's something that you need to do to make the 10K a month as soon as possible. So that's the first way, and I will tell you how you can do that because I have a free video for you. I'm not telling you there anything, so you can watch it. And the second way is by starting a personal brand like this, right? You don't have to have a fancy camera or fancy something right now. You just have to start. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, it can be TikTok. You just start posting videos and start sharing like educational or entertainment content, entertainment value to your audience, right? And then you are going to start getting attention, and then you can monetize. But the first step is getting attention, right? So as I said, there are two ways. First way is to get attention without showing your face, and the second way is to get attention with showing your face, right? Now, if you want to do it without showing your face, right now, somewhere in the corner of the video, you will see a link will pop up about a free video that I did, how I personally made my money without showing my face with YouTube automation, right? I show all the strategies. I even show one of my Fastclass channels, and I show you how you can do that, right? You can either make the videos yourself, or you can even pay other freelancers online cheap to make the videos for you, and then you upload these videos to your channel, and then you make money, right? You get attention, you make money. In fact, 3 years ago when I started, I got to 10K a month in less than 3 months, right? Now, it's not a guarantee. I can't promise you that you will do it that fast, but I'm sharing with you my experience. So if you can check that out, I'm telling you how I did it, and I reveal even one of my latest channels that I started this year and how you can do it too. It's free. It's a free course that I used to sell for thousands of dollars, literally, and now it's free on YouTube because I wanted to provide some value to you guys. So click the link. As I said, it will also be in the description of this video if you check it out, and you can go and watch it. And the second way is a personal brand. So you probably are following people like on Instagram, on YouTube. You just have to start talking about something that you like, that you are interested in, and you just literally need to start posting content. It can be, if you love to write, it can be on X or Twitter. If you love making videos like this, even if you are not good at it, it's great. No one is great at it when they are getting started, right? You just need to get started, and then step by step you get better video by video. I know it sounds cliche, but that's true, right? And that's how you can do that. You just start posting content without overthinking, and then you see which one works better, and then you double down on it. Let's say you started on Instagram and you uploaded some TikToks or Reels there, right? Instagram Reels, and there you see that some content performs better than this one, right? Let's say you are a fitness influencer, or if you are passionate about fitness or anything else and you want to start talking about that. You can start that, and then you will see which topics gets the most amount of views on your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. And then you just do more of it. You talk about more about the topics, right? And that's how you grow. I know that it sounds hard, but it sounds simple, but it is simple. It is not easy, but it is very, very simple, right? And that's the fastest way to get to 10K a month. So again, if you want to get attention, if you want to make 10K a month, this is what you should do, in my opinion, in 2023 and in 2024 to make money, because without attention, it's going to be very hard. You need to learn skills, you need to spend years, maybe even decades, right, to make real money. But like this, you get attention, you start a personal brand, you can sell courses, you can sell education, you can sell consultation, you can sell brand deals, you start faceless social media and get attention on Instagram, TikTok, on YouTube, and you can make money from ads, brand deals, etc. without even showing your face. So these were the two main ways, guys, but you need to get attention in order to make money, and this is the fastest way to get to 10K a month. I promise you, if you just get started and every day you do the smallest steps towards that, towards building following online, getting attention, you will see that you will be making money, right? And maybe right now you're watching YouTube and there's 20 different influencers telling you what to do, this business model, that business model, but everyone can agree that if you just get more attention, you will always make more money, right? So that's what I would recommend to you guys. As I said, this is what helped me, right? Personally, I've been able to change my life completely at such a young age, at 21 years old, and I'm come from a normal family, right? The average salary here in my country from Armenia is $500, and my parents made that much for the whole their life, and now I am able to help them. We went to some vacations. We went to United States to see my sister, right? We don't have to stress about money. We went to Dubai for a vacation. I bought everything I wanted, even this apartment, right? So I completely changed my life, and because I just took action, and because I realized that I need to get attention online to start making money. So if you are watching this video, no matter where you are from, you can be from anywhere in the world, any country, right? If you have access to the internet, and if you are watching this video, I guarantee you can make money, and it's not as hard as you think, right? It is not super easy, but it is super simple. So you just need to get started. So again, if you are someone that would like to learn how you can do it exactly, go to the description. You can watch a completely free video on how you can do that. Because I think that training is very detailed, very long. It's a step-by-step course. It's on this YouTube channel, so go and watch it, and you will learn practical steps how you can do that. But yeah, that's my thoughts, guys. As you see, this video, it wasn't even scripted, right? Just my thoughts to help you out. And by the way, if you are someone that wants to get started in this, because I've been able personally help over 200 people to start YouTube automation, to start getting attention online and make lots of money. If you are someone that would like to get my help as well, there will also be a link in the description of this video to book a call, right? It's a free consultation call where we talk about and we can see if you would like to work with me one-on-one with or not. If yes, if you could afford that, boom, I would love to help you out, right? That would be the dream, because I've helped lots of people. That's what I love doing, I enjoy doing, even if I don't have to do that. And if not, if you can't afford it or anything, if you don't want to, check out the free training and enjoy it. I hope it helps. That's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe if it was valuable, and leave comments below with your thoughts, with your questions, anything, and I'll be able to help you out and answer it. So yeah, guys, that's it pretty much. As I said, if you're interested, if you want to talk to me, there will be a link in the description. Book a call, let's chat, let's see how I can help or not. And also there will be free link, or also somewhere here, as I said, to watch the free training on how I have been able to scale my YouTube automation business to hundreds of thousands of dollars. So that's it, guys. Hope you got value, hope you implement this, and hope to see you at the top soon. And when you will start taking action and you will actually understand this, you will see that making 10K a month wasn't as hard as you thought. So I hope to see you at the top soon. Cheers.